Now that you have purchased an Outdoor Maps Plus subscription for your Montana 700 series handheld, we will show you how to activate the subscription on your device and how to download the maps that you want. You will need a computer, your compatible smartphone, and a Wi-Fi connection. In this video, we will be using a Montana 750i. First, we need to make sure that your Montana 750i has the latest version of the operating software installed. Garmin Express allows for the update to be installed. This program can be found at www.garmin.com/express. Then select the Garmin Express link to install the program to your computer. If your Montana 750i needs to be registered, make sure to use the same email account used to purchase the Outdoor Maps Plus subscription. This will create an association between the device and subscription. Once the registration and the update are complete, eject your device from the computer. When your device is turned on, allow any software update to install. If you haven't paired your Montana 750i to your compatible smartphone, you will need to do that now. Please see our Montana series pairing videos in the description below for help. With your device paired to your smartphone, select the main menu, followed by Map Manager and then Outdoor Maps Plus. Finally, select Check Subscription. Now you will need to establish a Wi-Fi connection. Select Wi-Fi Setup. Then, turn on your device's Wi-Fi. Now, select Add Network. Finally, select your network. Once connected, select Check Subscription. Your subscription will be confirmed. Now that you have activated your subscription, we will show you how to use the maps. From the menu, select Map Manager, followed by Outdoor Maps Plus. Then, select Add. Your device will begin requesting map update data. There are many options when choosing the location where you would like to download map data. The first choice is Use Map. This allows you to zoom in or out and drag the map around to the desired location. Each map downloaded has a limitation of approximately 750 megabytes. Depending on how many layers and the overall area you are wanting, several downloads may be needed. By selecting waypoints, any waypoints that you have on your device will be shown. Selecting a waypoint will place a marker in the center of the screen at the waypoint's location. Select the needed area based on that location for download. As you can see, each option provides different ways to determine where you would like to download the mapping. Let's look at other ways you can tailor your map downloads. Once you have selected your location for download, a map will be presented. By selecting the pencil icon next to the name, you can make changes to the various aspects of your map. You have the ability to change the name of your maps. It is a good idea to do this with the ability of having multiple maps downloaded to your device. If there is an SD card in your Montana 750i, you can also direct the storage location of the map to that card. Once the settings are to your liking, select the back arrow, then select Download. Now we will take a look at the different map layers. When the data is available in a certain area, different map layers will be offered. For example, an area that doesn't have any water features wouldn't have that map type available. The Topo maps provide high-quality elevation mapping with premium contours and maximum detail. You can view terrain changes to plan routes and anticipate slope changes, elevation gain, and more. Satellite imagery offers a high-resolution perspective from above. It makes it easier to find land features that may be important to you. Hydro or freshwater features shows mapping from the National Hydrography Dataset that provides details of inland lakes, streams, rivers, and wetlands. Parcels or state plat maps show how tracts of land are divided with parcel boundaries and landowner information for both public and private land types. This information is only provided where available by local governments. Hunting Management Units, or HMUs, provide current boundaries for each state along with multiple species data when it is available. Public land maps show color-coded map overlays so that public land is accessible and private land is respected. Included is national and state parks, Bureau of Land Management, wildlife management areas, and more. USGS Quads raster maps are USGS 1 to 24,000 scale maps that display trailheads, camping areas, trails, points of interest, water sources, and historical data. In most cases, you won't need all of your map layers. It is really based on what you are going to be doing. Let's take hunting for example. We have our map set up with the HMU for boundaries and species, topo maps for additional contour details, public land maps to confirm that the location is accessible, and satellite imagery to offer a better perspective of the vegetation. Using the USGS raster maps for points of interest and historical information alongside satellite imagery is a good combination when you are hiking. Having the ability to turn layers on and off as needed allows for flexibility in viewing the provided mapping details. And that's it! You have now activated your Montana 700 Series Outdoor Maps Plus subscription. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.